I have been doing some internet searches and I have found some really fun high-end decor ideas that I want to share with you guys that we can make on a budget. So let's head over to the Dollar Tree, do a little bit of shopping, and let's get to our high-end DIYs. We're starting out strong in the dishware area and they have several Pottery Barn dupes here. My favorite being the white everyday dishes. It is very similar to the Pottery Barn's everyday dishware. They also have this really cute spring dishware that's mimicking their spring collection at Pottery Barn, and it makes a super cute tablescape. I showed that piece setting with these blue chargers. I didn't pick up the blue chargers for this video, but they are super cute, and I think that they would go well in any tablescape. I found these Williams Sonoma plates as a dupe as well. They are really beautiful, blue and white patterned. They have these blue chargers that are a little different than the last ones. I chose to pick up the gold chargers instead, giving it a little bit more high-end look. We're going to go ahead and place our white dinner plates on top of these. Now remember, these are everyday dishes, but they become very elevated once you set them on some gold chargers. We're going to go ahead and add the salad plates, and then we have a beautiful timeless look on a very inexpensive budget. I couldn't pass up the Williams Sonoma dupe plates. I thought they were so beautiful. They also have matching bowls. I didn't pick up the matching bowls at this time, but I think I might go back and get them just because they are pretty stunning. But we're going to go ahead, add those to our same gold chargers to get a different bit of a look. But this is a very pretty spring look that you could use several times throughout the year. Now I'm going to show you how to use some Dollar Tree canvases. You can create some very inexpensive high-end looking art with their canvases. These are a 2-pack for $5, which is a very good deal. We're going to use some navy blue paint, some black paint, and then I can go ahead and use some cream at the end. But we're going to recreate a Williams Sonoma piece that I saw online. It was very similar to this, and this was very easy to make. Just a couple of swirls around, mimicking the style of the picture, and then I added some cream just to give it a little bit more muted tone. I went ahead and made 2 of these, and I think that they match up to the dupe pretty well. You guys will have to let me know down in the comments what you think. I think this is a really fun way to use the Dollar Tree canvases. Another way we can use the canvases for some high-end art ideas is to take another one of these canvases, and using the caulking from the automotive department, we're just going to go ahead and put it onto our canvas using a coffee filter. I'm just going to kind of dab around into this shape. This is a dupe from Pottery Barn and it gives such a high-end look. This is super easy. The biggest part of this is just waiting for it to dry. I went ahead and made 2 of these, and I think that they are stunning and I love having them hanging in my home. We're in the glassware section, so we're going to pick out some vase options that can give us a high-end look for less. They had some beautiful glassware options this time. This blue and white vase is beautiful. I loved the look of this one. It was $5. I went ahead and picked up this hurricane that they had, also $5. This one we're going to do a Wayfair dupe with. So I saw this on their website. It's $249. They're using magnolias. I found these magnolias at Dollar Tree, which is not where I typically like to buy flowers, but I went ahead and bought them. One easy way to get rid of their sticker for their price is just to take off the flower, slide it off, and then add your flower back in. We're going to go ahead, add our magnolias just to our vase, just like the Wayfair picture, and voila, we have a beautiful, stunning centerpiece on a total budget. This is the part of the video where I say, if you like what you're seeing, like and share this video, subscribe, and let's get back to decorating. I also like to take these Dollar Tree vases. These are ones that they've had for a long time. They are a cylinder shape. We're going to dupe a high-end dupe with these using some painter's tape, gold paint, and some gold leaf. My gold leaf did come from Dollar Tree in the crafters area. I believe it was $3. So we're going to go ahead, add some painter's tape to the top of our vase. It's about the top third of our vase. Using some gold paint, we're just going to go ahead, paint around the top, and then we're going to add some of our gold leaf to where we have painted. This is super easy and it gives such a high-end look for your decor options. You could make several of these. You could do different areas of the vase with the gold, but I really love how this one turned out and it was super easy. Over the last few years, they've really stepped up their game in the candle area, so we're going to pick up a couple of different options. I'll show you some candles. I did pick up one. So the candle option I chose to pick up today was $5. It's this beautiful, like pearlescent type shimmer on the outside. I don't know how to explain it, but it's really beautiful. And all I'm going to do is style it in my home under my candle lamp. It gives such a nice ambience in my dining room, and I'm just loving the scent of this one. Totally worth the $5. Another easy Pottery Barn dupe, but this one doesn't even require any crafting, is you're going to pick up these lanterns. They have two different sizes. They have a $5 and a $3. They have them in gold and they also have them in black. They are quite pricey on the Pottery Barn website, so I went ahead and picked up a large one and a small one. So we spent about $8 and we got a total Pottery Barn dupe on a budget. We're going to create another easy Wayfair dupe using this pizza pan. It's $5 in the Dollar Tree Plus section. All we're going to do is add some gold paint and we get this really beautiful tray. It is reminiscent of a Wayfair tray that was costing about $89 on their website, and we made it for a fraction of the cost. Another really pricey option at Pottery Barn are these book stacks. Now, I went to Dollar Tree and I just found books that were similar in color and size, and I just took off their jackets, and we're going to have a very pretty display of different hues of blue. They are going for quite a large price on the Pottery Barn website, and we made it again for a fraction of the cost. Building a beautiful home on a budget can be so easy, and I know that you can do it too. If you want to keep on crafting and decorating with me, go to this video next where we make some spring high-end decor ideas, and I will see you over there. Bye for now, friends.